Hey friends, welcome to my channel Online Tutor Learning Made Easy. Today I am going to explain what is hoisting in JavaScript. Here in this video, stay with me. I am going to explain each and every aspect of hoisting in JavaScript. So friends, let's start with the hosting concept in JavaScript. First of all, before I'm going to explain hosting with an example, we must know what is the hosting. In JavaScript, hosting is a mechanism by which we can use variables without being declared. Yes, friends, we can use variables in JavaScript without it is being declared in our program. I am going to explain this hoisting feature with the help of an example. Let us take an example first. Let us say I am taking a variable x. Now I am going to print this variable without its declaration. So friends, here is my program. I have initialized variable x here with value 3, and I have not declared the variable x anywhere in my program, as you can see, and I'm going to print this variable x in front of you. Here friends, you can see the output is the value of x is equal to 3. Here in my program you can see I have not declared x anywhere in my program. So friends, by default the compiler puts declaration on the top of the variable where it has been initialized, or we can say with the help of hosting we can access or use variable without its declaration. We can rewrite this program like this. If I declare x here, x here, this is declaration of variable x. As you can see, I have not declared variable x, but here I have declared variable x on the top of the initialization compiler will read this program like this. If I remove this declaration from here, even then JavaScript compiler will read this program like this. Compiler will put the declaration of variable x on the top of the variable x where it is initialized. If I run this program, then it will output the same as my previous program. So friends, the output is the same, that is the value of x is equal to 3. So friends, this is the concept of hosting in JavaScript. We can use the variable even it is not being declared anywhere in the program. Another aspect of hosting is we cannot use the variable before its initialization. In other words, we can say declaration is hosted whereas initialization is not hosted. I am going to explain with the help of this example. I am going to remove this line and here I am going to declare variable and initialize it with 5. Now I am going to run this program. You can see the value of x is equal to undefined. From here it is very much clear that variable initialization is not hosted in JavaScript. That is, compiler will not going to put this variable declaration as well as initialization on the top of the program. So with the hosting feature we can only use variable before its declaration, not the initialization. So friends, I am very much confident that you have well understood this term hosting in JavaScript. If you have any doubt regarding hosting, then you can comment me in the comment section. I will be glad to help you. Friends, please, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video. It will motivate me to make these kind of videos. Thank you.